Hello everyone and welcome to your 15th Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Applying Transitions. In this tutorial, we will learn how to apply different types of transitions and how to make our clip look more beautiful and appealing. In order to apply transitions, what we need to do is we need to open another window. As you can see in the media browser, on the right of that you see info, and on that you see effects. Now in this effects panel we have many transitions and effects that we can apply to our clip. Let's check out the video transitions. We have 3D motion, dissolve, iris, map, page peel, slide, special effect, stretch, wipe and zoom. The default animation that has been applied to here is a crossfade transition. As you can see, when we play this clip, there is a crossfade transition. Now this is the default transition, and that transition comes under the dissolve category. Click on the triangle next to dissolve. You can see cross dissolve, and as you can see there is a red outline outside of the icon of cross dissolve that indicates that cross dissolve is the default transition. If you want to change the default transition, you can just select any transition that you want as default. Let's find a good one over here. Say page peel, page turn. So let's set page turn as the default transition. So just right click on the icon and select set selected as default transition, and the page turn will be selected as the default transition. So let's check it out. In order to check it out, let's delete the clip over here by left clicking in an empty area and dragging to select all the clips, and then press delete on the keyboard. Now select all the images on the project panel, drag them to automate sequence, hit OK, and then as you can see we have page turn as the default transition. So that is how to change the default transition that is given there. Now if you want to change the duration of the default transition, you can go back to Edit, Preferences, General, and then from here you can change the still image default duration, and you can change the number to increase or decrease the time it takes. We will just hit OK, and then this is how you create a basic montage animation. If you want to change the default, you can just select any other animation, right click, select as default transition, and let's check it out again. Hit OK, and then this has been selected as the default transition. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.